Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. I wanted to share with you a bit about what I've been up to, living in Sydney, living in Australia, being a graphic designer, being a content creator. And honestly, the goal for my video, this video, was to kind of discuss how I'm a little lost, and I was gonna maybe like focus on how things haven't been working out all the time. But then within filming this over kind of the whole month of February, I had a lot of things happen that were exciting, and it just felt like things were falling into place. And I feel like that was really a testament to how hard I've been working and just trying to get my act together. And it actually works when you do try new things, try things outside your comfort zone. So I thought I'd share with you a little bit about my life lately and how things kind of worked out. So I have been filming a little bit during the month. So since the beginning of February, where I did my Adobe Live. So it's the day before I do my Adobe Live. I have been on Adobe Live before, but I'm doing it again. I'm excited and I'm nervous. Even though I've done it before, I still get pretty nervous. But I've been really prepping this time. So I'm gonna show you what I've been working on, because I just wanna be prepared and professional and look good on it and do all the things, fill the time. And yeah, I'm gonna have to be up like before 5 a.m. The live's at 5:30 a.m. for me because I'm in Australia. So that's the only unfortunate part. Obviously, that's just how it goes. I live in Australia, it's US based. There is also Adobe Asia Pacific, which I've participated in too. I want to do that again. But yeah, obviously I want to participate in both. I want to participate in the US stuff because a lot of you guys are from the US. I'm from the US. Like, it's okay to participate in US stuff. It's just gonna be different time zones for me. Obviously, that's hard. So I've been working on it for a few days and it's the day before and I'm just excited. So yeah, let me show you what I've been working on. Okay guys, it's actually 2 days after the live now. The day got away from me. Actually getting up so early on the Wednesday for the live made me so exhausted. I laid in bed, like I napped. I was just like, I don't do well with no sleep. Like I was so out of it the rest of the day, and I let myself relax too because it was just, I did the live, like I was proud of myself. So, but today, back to it. I'm going to film right now. So what I'm filming is actually the video. This is my setup. Also, that's my outside couch. Ugh, it's all piled up and ugly and dirty. But anyway, this is my glamorous setup. And I'm going to film right now because I'm going to do actually making the swimwear brand presentation, putting it up on Behance, finishing off what I started in the live. So it'll be a continuation video on my channel, and that'll be up also as well by the time you're seeing this. So this is how my work life goes, just filming and busy. So that was a lot of fun, and I felt like I had worked on a really good project. Honestly, I was really proud of that project. So go check it out on Behance. Behance is where I put together like the really good presentation that I did on the live, and I just think it looks really amazing. So also a thing that I guess I should talk about is hitting 100,000 subscribers, which I did mention in my last video. I'm just so grateful and so happy that this has happened. But like, it just felt like everything was coming together. Like I hit 100K, and even though there's a lot of issues with my channel, like a lot of the views are down and YouTube doesn't recommend me, and that's what sucks. Like, if you're watching this, I'm obsessed with you because YouTube does not recommend me. Yeah, so I hit 100K, which is crazy. And then I got my plaque in the mail, which I can't believe. Okay guys, I gotta be honest, I was feeling so today. And then this just arrived. Guess what this is? It's my plaque. It's my silver play button plaque with my name on it. Let's open it. You're kidding. You're kidding. I never thought this would happen, honestly. Like, it's kind of just that dream when you start a YouTube channel. You think, you know, one day maybe I'll have followers, and this is proof that I have followers. This is proof that I have a channel and it's successful, and that you guys made it successful, and you watch my content and you like my content, and I feel so proud of myself. It says my name. It says my name. Wow, a big thank you to you guys, because wouldn't have been possible without you. So I don't know what I planned on filming actually when I started this vlog. I just really wanted to focus on like what I was working on because of that project. I really liked that project. But then things just kind of really fell into place with my creator award coming and just feeling so grateful. If you watched my goal setting video, my planning for 2024 video, I talked about how my first goal was hitting 100K. That's what I was focusing on, putting all my energy into, and then after that I would focus on getting brand deals. So that's kind of like the hard part for me right now, because I work with Adobe, which is great, but I just haven't had like another brand deal in such a long time, and it's just really feeling like I'm not making money, and I'm just frustrated with the state of what I'm doing. So that's why I was kind of like planning to vlog being frustrated. I don't know, I was planning to vlog like the struggles, but I think this is realistic too. That actually a brand reached out to me, and I already have like a really good brand deal for the next few months, and I'm just so happy. I feel like it happened before I could even think about it happening, and I think that's a good sign for what I've been working toward this whole time. I mean, I have been working. It's just like I was gonna put together specific like marketing things so that I could pitch myself to brands, like what's it called? A media kit. So yeah, I was thinking about putting that together, like I was planning to do that. And I have been working in general, like making the content is what's important, and getting myself out there, getting my art out there is what's important, so that people can find me to then want to work with me. So it's all about like getting things out also, just not overthinking it and just working. So it's great when a brand comes to me, they find me through my stuff, and I can actually work with them. It's amazing. So I'm really happy about that. Things just really worked out with that. So it's like I'm already accomplishing my next step in terms of what my goals were. So yeah, getting that brand deal felt really good. But also I've just been enjoying life, trying to try new things. Did some tennis recently. Today we're going to play tennis. So let's see how I do. Guys, I actually loved it. I really loved it. I am not really an athletic person, or I don't consider myself to be athletic, but I did it, and I did it well. And I actually got the ball over the net. I just didn't even think I'd do that, but I did, and I just like didn't even feel self-conscious also as well, which is really big for me. Like feeling just stressed about being around people and having them watch what I'm doing, especially when I'm trying something for the first time. But it was just really amazing. So I felt really proud of myself that I did something new. And Sydney's just such a great city for doing outdoor things, and I just really want to get outside more. The weather is great all year round. Like, it's summertime right now, and it's been a little bit of a weird summer, not gonna lie, but I know that I can play this like all year round and be outside and just enjoy the weather and enjoy life, and I need to be doing that more, you know? So I'm trying to do lots of good things for myself. I signed up for a lecture at the art museum, the art gallery here, and I am really excited about that. I've been to a lecture before, and it was on the Louise Bourgeois exhibition that they now have on. So it was all about Louise Bourgeois and her work and her life, and then I got to go see it, and that was amazing. seeing her work and just appreciating like what I studied in school, but then also in the lecture. It was just really amazing to see it all in one place. Her work is so vast. And actually, my husband and I were discussing it. He came with me, and he had such astute comments to make. It was so amazing. I was so impressed with him. I feel like maybe being with me has rubbed off on him on like art terms and how to talk about art and all of that. And he was saying just like the most profound things after the exhibition that just, it made me so happy. I think he really enjoyed the exhibition as well. Art museums are really my happy place. I love them so much, and I can't wait to go to like more of these lectures that I signed up for. They're just going to be about like art history and things like that, and I just want to learn. I always want to learn. If you live somewhere maybe like in more of a city area that has an art museum, you should definitely check out what type of workshops and lectures they have, because the ones here in Sydney are great. The Contemporary Art Museum has workshops and stuff all the time, and then the art gallery has lectures and workshops as well. They have like drawing courses. It's so cool. Like, it feels like I can just go back to school in a way, and I love that. Like, if I can be a student of art forever, I will. So it was a really fun time, just spending time out. I feel like I haven't done that in a while, and I just really need to, like I said, try new things, get out of my comfort zone. I think I'm achieving that. And my Taylor Swift concert is on Monday. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I will not have that in this vlog, but it's coming up, and it's kind of all I can think about right now. Okay, my makeup's done. In the spirit of doing new things, I also got a desk, which I'm sitting at right now. I decided to get a new desk and actually move it to this side of my apartment, whereas, as you know, I'm usually filming right in front of that shelf. Now my kitchen table is on this side, like the dining table is on this side, and then my desk is over here in this other corner, and it just opens up the space, and it's just beautiful. Okay, and this is what I have so far. So now it's, forgive the mess, but next to the kitchen, this is where we keep the microwave. And then my desk will be over here in this corner. I really just decided I need a new desk because I need way more space than what I had. I have no room to do anything, and I just need it to be a better, more aesthetically pleasing space for my filming, my content, my design work. Like, I don't even sit at my desk and work because it's so stressful, but now I feel like I can sit here and I can use my big desktop and just actually work on my design and my content, my videos and everything. So yeah, it's a big change. For me, it's a big change. I know it's like just getting a tabletop desk, but it's a big thing for me. I really think it's gonna change my content. It's gonna fix a lot of things. So it really feels like things just fell into place. Like I said, like a reward for hitting a milestone in my career, 100,000 subscribers. I got a brand deal right when I said, okay, this is my next goal. Here it is, like it happened. And then I just kind of opened myself up to having more fun and going out more and saying yes to more things. And I got a new desk, and I just feel like all of this is just a really good sign for the rest of the year and for what I'm working on and for how hard I'm working. And I want to continue what I'm doing. I really want to continue this momentum. So that's the whole point of this video now. A vlog of my life. That's how I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit about my life lately and how I'm doing. I'm really excited for Taylor Swift next week, and I'm gonna go. Please like this video if you liked it, and let me know what you've been up to lately. If you're trying anything new, like tennis. Try tennis, honestly, it's so fun. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye.